In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear your cookies in Google Chrome. This is an important task to understand, as clearing cookies can help protect your privacy and optimize your browser performance. So, let's dive right in and go through this process together. First, open your Google Chrome browser. Once it's up and running, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a little icon made up of 3 vertical dots. Go ahead and click on that icon. This is your gateway to accessing various settings and tools within Chrome, and it's where we'll begin our journey to manage cookies. Next, after you've clicked those 3 dots, a drop-down menu will appear. Take a moment to glance through the options and find the one that says Settings. Clicking this will open a new tab specifically focused on the settings of your Chrome browser. This is where you can customize many aspects of how Chrome operates, but today, we're focusing on cleaning up those cookies. Now, direct your attention to the left sidebar of the settings page. Here, you'll find several categories. You're looking for the section labeled Privacy and Security. Go ahead and click on it. This section deals with all things related to keeping your browsing private and secure. It's where you'll find options to manage cookies, site data, and more. Once you're in the Privacy and Security section, look for an option that says Delete Browsing Data. By clicking on this, you'll open up a pop-up window that gives you the power to choose exactly what you want to erase from your browser's memory. Within this pop-up, you'll notice tabs labeled Basic and Advanced. Feel free to explore these tabs, as they offer different levels of control and options to select from. For the purpose of clearing cookies, the Basic tab usually suffices. However, the Advanced tab provides more detailed options if you want to be thorough. In either the Basic or Advanced tab, you'll see a checkbox labeled Cookies and Other Site Data. Ensure that this box is ticked, because this option is essential for removing all the cookies from your browser. At this point, you can also decide how far back you want to delete these cookies. There's a drop-down menu labeled Time Range. If you want to clear everything, selecting All Time will do the trick, erasing all cookies stored since you first used Chrome. Finally, once you're satisfied with your selections, click the Delete Data button. Chrome will then do the rest, clearing out all the cookies and giving your browser a fresh start. And there you have it. You've successfully cleared your cookies in Google Chrome. Remember, doing this periodically can improve your browsing experience by keeping your data secure and potentially speeding up your browser. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough was helpful. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out.